Hello. Our project for the hackathon is called Health Belt. Health Belt is an app which is designed to help people during the coronavirus pandemic and for health issues in general.
So this is the hardware portion of the project. We used an Arduino and two circuit boards to connect a temperature sensor and a heart rate monitor. So that the Arduino can get readings, and we've got code that parses it into meaningful output, like what kind of symptoms you have, the temperature that you have, what your heart rate is, and the heart rate on a graph. So essentially, we use a photoresistor and a red LED to pick up the red light as it goes through your finger in order to track your heart rate, because we saw a project for an infrared heart rate monitor, and we improvised by using a photoresistor in order to calculate our heart rate. And then this is just a simple DHT11 temperature sensor. You blow on it for, well, first you get the ambient and room temperature readings, and then you breathe into the thermometer, and the system calculates what your temperature is based on like the delta from your breath and the room. And basically then it categorizes what level of fever you have based on readings from an oral thermometer. And this is supposed to be a unique handheld device for every single user. We designed it so that it's relatively straightforward to manufacture, and so that each user can have their own thermometer, so it's not one hospital using many patients to blow on the thermometer, because that's unsanitary.
So the backend component of this app used Python, Flask, and MySQL to create multiple tables which retrieves the data from the Arduino, which connects backend and front end. If an emergency is identified, we then contact the user's emergency contacts through either email or SMS messaging.
Can you see this? We made the app using React Native, so we could just have one code base and make our app work on Android and iOS as well. So app is just a barebone app, which is taking the data from the user when we register or log in and sending it to backend for verification process. Once a user registers, the data, whenever a user's login, the so you can user can log in or register and get to this part where we are displaying data from the Arduino hardware part, and this is one of the sample we collected from Arduino and just manually pasted in as currently we aren't connected because of the internet sensor problem. Um, and user can see this if any of this is wrong, and If any of them is not at normal, he or she will get a warning over here. And um, also the backend will send emails to them. And likewise, you can change your email link to the account and add or delete emergency contacts, so you can who is informed during an emergency. Thank you.